Hi, and welcome to www.lawfirmmarketingmistakes.com. Today's topic, how to generate new clients using speaking and seminars. Stephen Fairley is a nationally recognized law firm marketing expert and has helped more than 6,000 attorneys from hundreds of law firms across the country to discover the secrets of generating more referrals and filling their practice. He is an international best-selling author of 10 books and 5 audio programs, including Practice Made Perfect for Lawyers, 10 Principles for Marketing Your Legal Services. Stephen is a member of the prestigious National Speakers Association, and his Rainmaker seminars have been sponsored by more than 20 of the largest state and local bar associations in the country. Stephen is the CEO of the Rainmaker Institute, the nation's largest law firm marketing company, specializing in small law firms. He helps partners at small and solo law firms find new clients fast and generate more and better referrals. Every law firm marketing plan should include speaking and seminars because they are one of the most powerful tools you have when it comes to marketing your law firm. I realize many of you don't like public speaking or even getting up in front of a group of people, but there are many forms of speaking other than just giving a public seminar. Here's 5 different ways you can use speaking to generate more clients for your law firm. Give a public seminar or presentation. Give a client-only seminar in your office. Give an after-dinner presentation to a group of clients from one of your referral partners. Give a presentation over a conference bridge line, teleseminar, or webinar. Be part of a panel discussion with a banker, attorney, CPA, or financial advisor. For those of you who have used speaking, seminars, and presentations, you recognize sometimes it's great and the clients start flowing in, but other times it just feels like you bombed, like you just didn't connect. Let me give you some law firm marketing tips to get better results from your speaking and presenting efforts. Law firm marketing tip number 1. Always speak to decision makers. The first important tip is to always speak to the right group. Make sure you get in front of the right group. People who can either refer you clients or are highly likely to need, want, or be able to afford your services. Ask these questions first. What is the average attendance? What is your average attendee like? Their job title, description, age, decision maker. What percentage of your usual attendees are decision makers? What kinds of topics have had the best turnout? Who has recently spoken to your group, and what did they speak about? Law firm marketing tip number 2. Educate your audience. The second tip when using speaking to market your law firm is to make the presentation educational. Don't stand up there and spout legal jargon and legal theory or sections and codes, because that's not what people want. They want practical, useful information. So give them lots of practical, useful information that will help them. You may say, well, I don't want to give away the store. I don't want to give them so much information that they can do it themselves. Please understand, if you could give them enough information where they could do it themselves, the people who actually would do it for themselves are not your clients. You want to target the people who have the money to hire an attorney and don't want to do it for themselves. You don't want to hire tire kickers or do-it-yourselfers because all they're going to do is to try to get your lowest price. I actually follow the opposite principle. I purposefully try to overwhelm my audience with practical, useful information when I give a seminar or law firm marketing talk. Why? Because I want them to walk out of the room with so many great ideas that they don't know where to start, so they will turn to me and hire my company to implement the law firm marketing plan for them. You must recognize that not everyone in every audience is in your target market, and you need to qualify them as much as they qualify you. You need to ensure that they need you, they want you, and they can afford you. If you don't want to attract yellow page clients, then don't charge yellow page prices. Law firm marketing tip 3. Get attendees' contact information. Have a plan for obtaining the attendees' contact information both before and after your presentation. You want to get it before so that you can get ready to follow up with them, but also after your presentation just in case somebody shows up at the door. If you can't get the contact information from the conference organizer, Do a giveaway for a prize and have them pass their business cards to the front, or have them email you their contact information to get a free copy of the handout or PowerPoint slides. Law firm marketing tip 4. The fortune is in the follow-up. The number one reason why lawyers don't get results is because they don't have a written follow-up system. You must develop a follow-up strategy before the talk. Let me give you an example. Let's say your follow-up strategy is a series of emails, phone calls, and maybe a letter or postcard. Your follow-up system would include 4 emails, 3 phone calls, and 1 letter. Email 1 should be sent within 24 hours post-seminar. It would be a thank you email with an offer for a free consultation, special report, or audio CD. Phone call 1 would be made by your staff and would be made within 24 hours post-seminar. The call would be to thank them for attending and make the same free offer that's made in the email. Your letter would be sent out the next day. They should receive it within 3 days if they are local, and the letter would repeat what you have written in the email. All of this would happen in the first 24 hours after the seminar. We give dozens of law firm marketing seminars every year, and this works. Email 2 is sent 3 to 5 days after the event. Remind them about the seminar they attended and invite them to sign up for a consultation or your newsletter. Email 3 might offer a brief tip about the topic you spoke about, top 10 tips, or recommended resources, etc. Every person should be followed up with at least 3 phone calls before you stop trying to reach them. Every attendee should receive at least 5 to 7 emails and 1 to 2 letters from your law firm. To find out more information on topics like this, go to www.lawfirmmarketingmistakes.com.